course, how about we all welcome the Director for MUPH Asia Pacific and Local Search. How about a big hand for Mama Ru, Arnold Mercado. Fresh na fresh. Ang hindi stress sa Christmas. And also our VP of MUPH Global and National Search. How about a big hand for the very beautiful Miss Max Gwen. Maganda yung gabi natin with Miss Max. She's got very Christmassy and generous tonight.
Yeah.
So let us get to know.
The interview with
questions for
yes.
us.
Yes.
For the Miss Universe Philippines Local Directorship Program.
Oh, interesting. Okay.
That's we are going around the world and
We are.
nationwide to search for the most beautiful Filipina to compete.
Nationwide.
Like Mags Nationwide. Pinalitan na Mags PH.
We are here to conquer from the Philippines to the world. And Max PH.
Okay,
Yes, of
so
course, if you have any questions. Oh. Anybody? Sino mga mauuna from our friends of the media?
Yun si Tito Noli.
Tinoli good.
Thank you, hi! My question is, for 2025, ano yung mga bagong entries for Miss Universe PH yung mga cities, municipalities, mga Filipino communities and abroad?
Napakaganda yung tanong. Thank you for that question.
Dagdag.
Anyways, ang dami-daming pasabog. For 2025, we have a lot of new local directors from different places like we have Butuan, we have Zamboanga, Tanda, also, and
We have a lot of new entries
yes.
of new local directors. So we have Butuan, of course the
Zamboanga.
previous Zamboanga City, and Dipolo. We have Sintangan, and we have Dapitan.
Dapitan. So, ang maraming bago. And it's going to be really exciting kasi sobrang daming
Gustong sumali.
local director.
Alright. How about, I think that's true from. How about the...
Well, we have around 80.
Wow.
80?
As of the moment.
As of the moment.
Basta wag lang silang magbaback out. No. Kasi,
Kasi may nagbaback out last
oo,
year.
last minute may mga ganyan. Pero last year, it was 50. And then this time, running na tayo sa 80. So hopefully, it's gonna be bigger and better Miss Universe 2025.